안녕하십니까? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all our blessed families, sponsors. It is with a greater hope and happiness in my heart that we are reaching out to you to support our 21 days Yojongrang workshop. It's a very momentous occasion in our Providence in Heavenly Asia Pacific as we continue to reach out to our younger brothers and sisters and guide them in their journey towards leadership. This 21-day Yojongrang workshop remarks our effort to continuing create an educational pipeline for our younger brothers and sisters who are into leadership. And also through this 21 days Yojongrang workshop, and also this 40 days workshop that we are opening to everyone, we hope that we can encourage our brothers and sisters, especially those who would want to go to the way of leadership, those who wants to join our regional task force, those who wants to join and apply for our Sun Moon University or PA, those who would want to challenge themselves and become missionary through the Heavenly Top Gun missionary training. We would like to encourage also our brothers and sisters who will join the blessing ceremony next year, 2025. And of course, those who are being raised to strengthen our local youth and church growth foundations. It is with greater hope that we are reaching out to you and offer this vision of hope of our heavenly parents and true parents. We are knocking, humbly knocking in your hearts, whatever, even how much that you can support in kind donation or monetary donation will greatly appreciate in our cause of raising up our younger brothers and sisters through this 21 days Yojongrang workshop. So please, may this appeal find in your innermost heart that courage to support our 21 days Yojongrang workshop. And we will do our best to offer greater hope and happiness to our beloved true mother. Thank you so much, everyone. Um, it's an advance thank you and gratitude to your support in our 21 days Yojongrang workshop and the 40 days workshop. We are arranging right now, preparing right now diligently every day under the direct leadership of our regional president Masaichi Hori, our Chonemon chair Dr. Robert S. Kittel, and the many leaders in the entire Heavenly Asia Pacific. May the blessings of Heavenly Parents and true parents be with us all. 감사합니다. 사랑합니다.